Hey, what's up everyone? Tracy Jackson here, Tax Savvy Nurse. And in this video, I just want to talk about the updates for the tax deadlines. I've been making posts and things like that about the changes with the deadlines being extended, but I just wanted to make a video so I can make that really clear because I'm sure that there's still some people that are not aware of what's going on. So I'm going to put this in video format. And for those of you that don't know me, my name is Tracy Jackson, and I am a nurse and a tax professional. And I like to help nurses and other health professionals as well as business owners to really try to make sure they understand their taxes so they can pay the least amount possible, and also learn to increase their cash flow through their jobs or through their businesses. Okay, so let's really quickly, I just want to highlight the important parts of what's going on, and this is related to COVID and the changes that are going on. They're giving some leeway in extending the time for you to file. So before I talk about that, I just wanted to give a reminder that if you also have not filed your 2016 tax return, then you will want to file that by April. You have till April 15th to file that to make sure that you can get your refund. If you do not file your if you did not file your 2016 tax return by April 15th, 2020, then those funds will be the property of the IRS. So, you know, it's a couple years past. Hopefully you've already filed your 2016, but I know that there's a lot of people that haven't. So make sure you do that, especially if you're due a refund, or you won't be able to get that. All right, so let's talk about the changes right now. So we all know that April 15th is tax day, right? When our tax returns are due for the year. However, due to everything that's going on, they have extended it until July 15th. All right, so write this down, you guys. It's really, really, really important that you understand your tax professional cannot always be, you know, totally, like, we try to update you guys and educate you, but you have to take accountability for knowing when you need to get your documents in and what you need to do to stay out of trouble. So July 15th is a new date. All right, now just make sure that you check your states, because some states are different. If you have any questions about that and your state, just ask me. But some states may not all follow through with the federal guidelines, so just check that. All right, and then also with that, try not to wait to file, because the thing with that is, if you wait till the last minute, and it's just like any normal filing date, even if it was April 15th, we tell you don't wait until April 10th to try to file, because your tax liability that's due is also due by April 15th in a normal sense, right? But now, so we have till July 15th. So a lot of people are like, oh, okay, cool, I can wait. I got a couple more months. So if you don't file and we come back and tell you, hey, you owe $10,000, then you're not going to know that, and you're going to have to try to come up with $10,000 by July 15th. All right. And of course, if you don't, of course, you can always get on a payment plan, but you want to try to pay it on time if possible, so that you can eliminate fees. So let us know ahead of time if you have any questions, but please get your paperwork to us so that we can take care of filing your refund. I'm sorry, filing your return, because that way you at least know what's going on, and you still have until July 15th to pay. So hopefully that's clear. July 15th is the new deadline to file and pay your taxes that are due. All right. If you feel like you cannot meet that July 15th deadline, you have to let us know ahead of time or file an extension. The extension is not extended any further than the normal October 15th. So you still have until October 15th if you file the paperwork to extend. All right. So hopefully that makes sense to you guys. If you do extend from July to October 15th, you'll still be reliable for any taxes owed, and then fees will accrue from there, from what I understand. So they're giving you leeway to say, hey, we're going to let you wait to file and pay until July 15th. But if you don't do it July 15th and you want to extend until October 15th, then you do need to file the paperwork for that. Otherwise, it's an automatic extension. All right, so it's just understood that you have until this date. You don't need to file an extension for July 15th. So that's the new date. Let me see what else I wanted to say about that. Yeah, so I talked about the interest and penalties. Just try what I always say about if you owe tax, pay what you can before July 15th. That way it's less that you'll have interest and penalties on. So let's say you owe $2,000. If you can only pay $1,000, try to pay as much as you can. That way that extra $1,000 that you haven't paid, you can either do a payment plan on that, and you'll only have to, it'll be a lesser percentage of fees that you'll have to pay. So pay as much as you possibly can if we find that you have tax owed. And then I just wanted to remind also, if you have estimated tax payments that are due, Q1 has been extended because this is during the time when everything happened. So they're letting you extend till July 15th also for your Q1 estimated tax payment. So if you're a business owner and you're paying your quarterly taxes, then you have until July 15th. Also for business owners, that Q2 estimated tax payment is June 15th. So it's kind of weird. They're going to be due not too far apart from each other. They're not extending the Q2 estimated payments, just the Q1. So you got first quarter and second quarter that will be kind of back to back. So I think that's all I wanted to really say about that. I wanted to just make it really clear to just please not wait to file, to send us your documents, number one, because a lot of us are still waiting on documents and want to get things filed and situated for you, especially if you haven't filed your 2018 and your 2019. Okay, so if you're only up to date until 2017, if you're expecting that stimulus payment, I'll do another video on that. But if you're expecting that, they won't have the information to go off of because they're going to go off of 2018, 2019. So I am running a special for 2018. Just go on my page or just inbox me if you need to quickly get that filed. Let me know, because you will want to make sure that you can get any money or credits that's owed to you. And I believe if you don't have your return filed by the time they send out those payments, then you can capture that on your 2020 tax return, right? So the next tax return that we file, because really they're giving you an advance on credit. A credit that's available for 2020. So they're giving it to us ahead of time. So I'll do another video on that, but I just wanted to make sure you guys, please don't wait till the last minute. July 15th. And if you can't do it by then let us know. We can extend until October 15th for you. So any questions, let me know. You can text me at 770-282-5113 or email me at info@taxsavvynurse.com or find me on Facebook or YouTube, wherever you want. Okay. All right. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.